Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa.
Hello, love bugs. Welcome back to At Home with Lisa. Hi, love bugs. Thank you all so much for tuning in on this video today. As you all can see, we're outside on the patio. Yes, we're on the patio today, and I am going to style our patio table, and I'm going to be using a football and pumpkin theme because y'all know it's football season and it is fall, you guys. So yes, you guys, I am out here. Y'all don't pay attention to my head because it needs to be washed really badly, and I will be getting that done on tomorrow. So just bear with what you see. Don't judge me, guys. But anyway, you all, I have already gotten into this video. I am cleaning the table, and I use the pledge because it works so good. It gives it that little bit of a shine that I'm going for. So I love using the pledge. So guys, just go ahead, sit back and relax. This is not a long video, but I wanted to bring you guys along while I was out here on the patio, just styling this table for this weekend. We have a big weekend coming up, and I wanted to spruce it up just a little bit. So sit back and relax, grab your drink, grab your snack, and just relax as I create this football and pumpkin themed tablescape. If this is your first time here, welcome. We so thank you for tuning in on today, and if you're returning, welcome back. And we also want to welcome all of our new love bugs to the channel. You guys, we have hit 7K. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7K. Yay! So excited. So you guys, as you can see here now, I am using the football field runner here, and the only thing I don't like about this thing is it sheds so bad. But anyway, I'm using it. There's probably some type of spray that I can put on there to stop the shedding, but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and use it for our table runner for our football and pumpkin style tablescape. Let's get into these cutesy pumpkins, y'all. They are so stinking cute, y'all. I love these pumpkins. I can't even remember where I got them from because, oh yeah, let me let y'all know that everything we're using today, we already had. I just went in my stash and pulled some items out. So yes, you guys, I love these pumpkins. So now I'm going to come in with these green charger plates. And you all, as I'm placing these charger plates down, I am thinking, this is not going to work for me. As you can see, I am contemplating on what's about to happen here. Y'all know when I have cutesy placemats that I don't like covering them up. I like them to be shown. So these charger plates are a bit oversized for my pumpkin placemat. So as you can see here, I am taking the charger plates and placing them kind of on the side but touching the pumpkin so you can see the beauty of the pumpkin. And y'all see that little grin on my face. So yeah, I had to fix that because that was not going to work for your girl Lisa. So we have another gem that we're going to be adding to our football and pumpkin tablescape, these cute pumpkin plates. As you can see, the oranges and the greens and the tan colors in the plates. I think it's styled really pretty, and I believe it's going to go perfectly for our football and pumpkin tablescape. I am so excited to see how this is going to turn out. Please don't click off the video because I am going to do some changes here. I'm going to add something that you're probably going to look and see like, that ain't working, Lisa, that ain't working. But y'all know I like pressing the button and I love using different patterns and different colors. So now I'm coming in with this pumpkin. I don't know. Let's just roll with it and see how it's going to turn out because it's kind of plain to me and I don't know. It's white and I don't know. Are we giving it a thumbs up or are we going to give it a thumbs down? No, just wait. So we have made it to the reveal, you guys. This is the first reveal. We have 2 reveals, okay? Because I wasn't satisfied. So this is what it looks like now, okay? I've added those black and white stripe napkins on there to reference football, the referees, y'all, because y'all know they wear black and white. So I thought I would throw that in there, but it's kind of throwing me off a little bit. And the reason being is because I tell y'all all the time, repetition is important when styling, right? So I have these black and white striped napkins, but but y'all look at these pumpkins. They are so cute. These pumpkin placemats are so cute. I love them and they match so well with our green charger plate along with our pumpkin plates as well too. And as y'all can see, I have that cute little pumpkin napkin ring with the black and white napkin. And y'all just trust the process. Just trust the process here because I'm thinking about this and it's not working out the way I want it to. I'm not feeling 100% sure on this styling. So that's why I say wait for the second reveal because we're going to do a second reveal because we're going to change something up here, okay? That runner is so stinking cute. I think I bought that from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I think I got that from Hobby Lobby. So y'all don't click off because I told y'all I'm not setting too well with the style that I have now. This is where love resides, memories are created, friends are always welcome, and family is forever, whether they're near or far. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna just go ahead and tell you, I'm not liking this. I need something else black in here. I need some height in here, and I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna go and get it. So just stay tuned, okay? Don't go nowhere. Stay tuned, because I gotta fix this, y'all. I can't just leave y'all hanging like this. I gotta fix this. All right, you all, this is reveal number 2. y'all gotta tell me down in the comment section if you like reveal 1 or reveal 2. So do R1 or R2, okay? R1 or R2. I'm loving R2. I brought in this black vessel with this beautiful floral arrangement, and it works for me. It works. It's balancing throughout the tablescape. We got our pumpkins, we have our black and whites, we have our blacks, we have our oranges, we have our greens, we have our tans. So everything is meshing well together. So love bugs, I hope you all enjoyed my football and pumpkin tablescape for the patio. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to let me know if you're for R1 or if you're for R2. Reveal 1 or reveal 2. All right, you guys, I'm signing off, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home.